everybody. It's Tuesday, May 23rd, I think. Maybe 24th, whatever it is. Anyway, we're getting the garden put together. It only just dried up enough, so my brother-in-law Rory came over and he's gonna give her a good tilling, and we'll get the plant here. Get some food growing. Nice and deep, does a beautiful job. Alright, so the garden's all tilled up. It's nice and soft and fluffy. And now we're starting planting with a row of carrots. And yeah, we'll get her all planted. And then we'll be in business. Oh, it looks good, Frank. Here, dude.
Okay, that's not past the edge there?
Nope, you're good here.
There?
Alright, so it's Wednesday morning. Came out to feed the calves. And there's, oh, you can just barely see it. There's 2 moose in the beef pasture over there. Looks like a mama and probably last year's calf. She'll be chasing him off any time now because she'll be getting ready to have her this year's calf. calf squirting off. Mom goes after him. Oh, the dogs just noticed. And then there they go into the bush. And there go the dogs after him. Now this morning there was a couple moose in the pasture. This afternoon I come out here and the cows were all very interested in something in the corner, and I have a look and there's a couple of deer hanging out there. It's nice living on a farm.